Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your online presence with Klout, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your online presence with Klout, first, navigate to the Klout website. On the homepage, locate the sign up or log in button. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you're a new user, complete the sign up process by providing your name, email address, and creating a password. After logging in, you'll be prompted to connect your social media accounts. Select the platforms you wish to connect, such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Allow Klout access to your accounts by following the authorization prompts. Once connected, Klout will analyze your profiles and content for influence. This process may take a few moments, so be patient as the analysis completes. Afterward, you'll see your Klout score displayed on your dashboard. This score ranges from 1 to 100, indicating your overall online influence. To deepen your profile, add any additional social media accounts you have. You can also customize your profile by adding a bio or profile picture. Explore the topics section to select areas that represent your expertise and interests. These topics will help Klout refine your score and online presence. Regularly check back to monitor changes in your Klout score over time. Engagement with your audience on social media can positively impact your influence. Take advantage of Klout's tips and insights offered on your dashboard to enhance your online presence. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and improve your online presence with Klout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.